when you've seen the club at the dead times, when it was completely down and out, you come back, you know, and you see this is great. This is what it's all about.
Yeah. People want to come and play for us now and belong to us because they know we're such a well-run club. The only problem is we haven't got the facility to go with it.
What do you think of when you think of, and I'm assuming it happens a lot, Ben Davies?
Oh my God, don't even get me started on Ben Davies. She's basically, he's the son I never had.
I think there was a quote recently in the local press that said, on their day, champions or challengers to be champions, but also can be relegation battlers. So we want to cut the relegation battlers out and give them a good go for the championship.